Iyer and I'm from class 6D. Today I'm going to be making a dish that is derived from South India and Mexico. So the name of this dish is Guac-in-a-blanket. I got inspiration from the dish called pigs in a blanket, which is originally an American dish which has ham wrapped in bread. But in this case, I'm going to be using guacamole wrapped in Raagi-dosa. So we are going to be starting with the avocado, of course. So if you guys don't know what an avocado looks like, it looks like this. So this is already cut. So we are just going to remove it like that. So this is what we get. Now we are going to scoop out all the pulp. Just like that. There's a lot of pulp in this one. So just like that, we are going to do the other half as well. And make sure the seed doesn't get inside. We're just going to remove the seed for now. And do the rest. There. Now we have a lot of quantity of avocado in our bowl. So we are going to just scoop it up. So I would prefer and I would recommend using a fork because it is way more easier to mash the avocado. So after we are done with this, this becomes our first ingredient. Now we are going to add some chopped veggies such as tomatoes and some onions as well. And then we're also going to add this syrup which contains lemon, chaat masala and some salt. You guys can add whatever according to your will, like pizza seasoning, many different types of herbs, masalas, anything you guys want. But for this video, I'm only adding this much. Then we're also going to add some dhania. That's it. And now we're going to be mixing. Okay guys, now that we're done mixing, the consistency looks like this. It is really smooth. So now, today as there's a restriction of only 5 ingredients, I have only used 5. So, but you guys can use anything according to your will. Like you can use grated carrots or chopped capsicums to make it more colorful and whatnot. Anything according to you. So now we're going to go on to wrapping this inside the Raagi-dosa. So we have made 3 of these small Raagi-dosas. So we're going to start with one. So first we're going to put some of this avocado, like a good amount, and spread it just like that. Just a bit more. And now we are going to carefully wrap it all up. I have some extra which I'm going to put back. And that is the final look. It looks like a burrito. So you can make 3 of these and add a toothpick if you want to make it stable. And just for sure you can add an olive on top. Just like that. So now we are going to make 3 of these and we'll come back to you. Okay guys, so this is the finished look and it looks so pretty. Guess what, it's going to be as yummy as it looks, seriously. So we are going to try this. That is so good. I wish all of you could be here trying this right now. It's out of the world, seriously. Thank you, bye bye.